Alright, we're going to do a AC on the WRX 2009. So I've already checked this, see if I can do it for you again. Yeah, so there's a bit of pressure in the system still. I already let out a whole bunch when I did a pressure test before. Just pushed it in and see if there's anything there. So that tells me that there's a leak because there's obviously nothing in there now, and it was apparently done a year ago before old mate got the car. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to put a vacuum on it, and I'm going to put the HyChill repair kit through it, and that small bottle itself should be enough for this system, but we'll do a top up if it's needed. Okay, so that's where it currently is. We're working in the rain under our DIY cover, but that's where the vacuum is sitting right now. We're going to come back in about 20 minutes to see how that is, and hopefully the rain has plugged it off by then. Yeah, that needle hasn't moved, so however small that leak is, it's not all that bad. So the repair kit and this is going to be a perfect fix. I'm only doing the low side as well, I'm not doing the high side, just vacuuming on the low side. Okay, so just looking here, rain's gone now. It's moved a fraction in about an hour. So there is a really small leak somewhere. But like I said, this HyChill stuff is gonna fix that problem easy. It's fixed bigger problems than that. So we're about to put this in. Okay, so first of all, I want to bring this down to the sweet spot, so I know it's there. Okay, so now I'm going to connect this up and turn that to the sweet spot, and let that bleed through the line here real quick. Just like that. So now there's no air in the system, and now I can slowly put some into the car. Shut it off, let that rest for a minute. I can just keep doing that a little bit at a time. A little bit more. That'll do. So I'll make to start the car now, and we'll feed this in, and we should watch the air conditioner come on. I've only got a tiny bit in there at the moment, but that aircon came on straight away. And we're looking at so we just need a bit more pressure. So make sure the bottle's held upside down. I'm going to bring that up to about 25, 30. Hopefully I get the whole bottle in. Oh, well, that's perfect. I've got the whole can in, and it's still just under 30. And the AC came on when it was at 10. So it's got that whole distance there before the air conditioner wouldn't work. So she's sweet. That's going to repair and not be a problem again. Okay, so the low side is back here. I'm going to take this off now. There's not really much more I can do in this section. Put that back on. Okay, so now we'll go and have a look how cold it is coming out of the vent. Alright, so I just put the thermostat in there. Let's see what she comes down to. Currently 11.3. See if I can get a better angle. I'm going to call it there. It's slowly coming down still. We're going to call it there. 7.4. Another job done and dusted. Another happy customer. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.